Want to clean up your diet without giving up flavor? Let's head to the grocery store and stock your kitchen with clean, nutritious picks that are easy to find in any U.S. supermarket. Start in the produce aisle, your clean eating goldmine. Grab leafy greens like spinach, kale, and romaine. Add colorful bell peppers, cucumbers, avocados, and sweet potatoes. Don't forget berries, packed with antioxidants and naturally sweet. For protein, go lean and simple. Chicken breast, turkey, wild-caught salmon, and grass-fed beef are top choices. Vegetarian? Pick up tofu, tempeh, and cage-free eggs for clean, plant-based protein. Choose whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and steel-cut oats. Stock up on lentils, black beans, and chickpeas. They're fiber-rich and great for keeping you full and energized. Go for unsweetened almond milk, Greek yogurt, and cottage cheese. Read labels. Choose products with minimal ingredients and no added sugars. Healthy snacks? Think raw almonds, chia seeds, peanut or almond butter, and hummus. Use olive oil or avocado oil for cooking and salad dressings. Stick to the outer aisles of the store, avoid processed foods, and always read nutrition labels. Clean eating is about real, whole foods that fuel your body. If you're ready to feel your best and eat clean, hit that like button and subscribe for more fitness and meal planning tips from Prime Fit Flow.